These are a few of the things that people seem to have the most questions about after my videos this week. What about card ladder or rare candy when I'm pricing my singles? If the thing you're using is just going to go check eBay and TCG Player for their pricing, just go use TCG Player and eBay. That's like saying, oh, I don't Google anything. I have my friend Bob. We just ask Bob. And most of the defense of everybody was, well, Bob is right like some of the time. It's like averages don't work in Pokemon. We know this already. Yesterday, everyone was in a tiffy about whether or not Pokemon is exactly the same as fine art, which it is. It's exactly the same. Everyone was like, oh, laundering money. You can't move money with Pokemon cards. Like, it's all relative, you know. Your value is not the same as somebody else's big value. It's astounding to me how many people don't seem to understand that ripping packs is gambling. And how often these people are telling me, ripping is for kids. I'm pretty sure it's just the dads, and they're using the kids as an excuse. I can't find any packs for my kid. What are we going to do about the hobby? I don't know. My favorite Pokemon for 28 years of my life was Machamp because I could never get one in the game. Ripping is gambling. People don't seem to understand that. Also, you shouldn't be able to get burned by an auction. It's a good thing I made. We're going to have to make this one probably like once a week, I think. Yeah. Literally, you should not be able to get burned by an auction. That's a sign that they're scammy right there. Oh, yeah. And some of the other ones that we should touch on. No. Storage got full. Sorry. No, I don't use shampoo. Yes, I tuck my sweatpants in. It's comfy. Thank you for everyone who's been sharing and liking the videos. It's flattering. Thank you very much. I love Pokemon. If you got to call me a scalper in order for me to enjoy Pokemon the way that I like it, and for it to be my full-time job, if you got to call me lame, if you got to tell me to touch grass, if you got to tell whatever you got to say, I don't care. It took me 29 and a half years of my life to find my thing. My thing is live streaming and Pokemon. And when you combine the two, golly, 20 years ago, if I had been born 20 years earlier, I'd have been selling knife sets on QVC. All right? I love Pokemon. I love live streaming. It is 100% of my life. Collectibles, Pokemon, live streaming, guinea pigs. Thank you everybody for the support. I'm just going to make more videos. I'm going to keep doing this. Pokemon market's easy to fix. The problems are right there. We could do it together.